All right, Sunday morning before church, out here at Green Lawn Grove, and I'm already making a purchase. So we broke some bolts on our tractor, and this fine man's just sold me a bunch of nice large sockets. How you doing today, boss? Anyhow, doing good?
Yeah.
And I know we needed the 1.5 inches, and I believe that's an 1.5 inches. That is an 1.5 inches. So I bought that box of sockets there for $5. So let me get them paid. All right, so out here shopping. There's some lanterns and stuff, so it's going to be hard to film today. I'm giving out flyers for our church car show, Godspeed Car Show. Seen a nice piece of that is a piece of depression glass called iris and herringbone. It's a nice piece. We'll give out some flyers. Had some guys last time I was here wanted I buy cool stuff bumper stickers, so I brought some of them to give out too. So I'm got 5 hands working today and trying to film too. But I made a purchase. I don't see nothing over there too interesting. I see the wife here. Hi, wife.
Hi.
She's shopping too. So we're just making a quick run through this morning. I don't see much here on this end. It rained last night, so you expect a few empty tables. I don't need shoes. I just bought shoes. We are literally just running through. Here's the Chinese guy, the pants guy. Look at the stencils, number stencils or letter stencils. Them are letter stencils. I don't know what I would do with them. They're cool. Cool. What would I do with a bunch of stencils? They're too big. What are you getting on the big wrenches? 1 5/8 and 1.5. I think we'll get because I think we need the 1.5. And the bigger won't hurt. I think I'll get that wrench. All right, $5 the man says. Let's get her bought. All right, we got the big Craftsman wrench bought for $5. Lots of camouflage stuff here today. The hat guy is here. I have plenty of hats right now. I actually probably have too many hats right now. Airsoft guy selling. Oh, he's got wrist rockets today. Love wrist rockets. He's got a little drone, some fishing tackle, cool stuff, sunglasses. Got good stuff for selling. Should sell a bit. You want to see ugly?
Oh,
That's
no.
plain ugly there, man.
Well, thank you. I love it.
Ain't seen you in a coon's age, Ron. How's it going, man?
Real good.
So
I thought about you a couple of times in the last.
I'm gonna hit
3
pause
weeks.
and get caught up with an old friend.
Fact, so
Yep. So, what you doing, Pete? Turn the music down, man. I can't even talk to you.
Okay.
Don't want to talk to me today? Oh, I like that. Them are great guns.
Yep. Which one?
The
oh yeah. I
Tokarov.
see it.
That's a Tokarov, and that is a I can't think of what that's called. That there's Russian also. This
This
is
ain't
Czech.
Russian. This
Is it
is
Czech?
Yugoslavian.
Yeah, but the Russians designed it.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Turn on Russian design.
But
all
this
that
is
shit.
all Czech here.
Actually, this is Romanian.
I know you
And,
must know that guy real well.
I know Pete
Oh,
well.
I don't know him at all.
You don't know me at
that's
all.
a good attitude.
Lots of magazines.
Yeah.
M1 carbine mags. What are you getting on your M1 carbine mags, Pete?
20 on those, 25 on that, and 20 on that one because
There
you
you
need
go.
it.
It's the high point a 9mm.
Yes.
High point all dressed up.
Wow.
Hey, I got a car show you can come to, Pete.
Car show.
Our church is doing a car show. So.
No kidding.
Uh-oh, watch this guy. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wait a minute. Let me
Got
load
someone
this.
fucking with you, Pete?
Let me load this thing up. Hey, you better watch this guy. He's dangerous.
Well, it's all right to be dangerous.
Thank you, sir.
Cruise night.
Okay.
And we tore up the tractor, so I had to buy some wrenches and stuff. So.
Really?
But
Why did you tear up the tractor?
Stop abusing
Because-
the damn thing.
You put a
well,
high
I
performance
what I got told is if you're not using it the way it's meant to be, you won't break it.
Huh?
If you're using it the way it's meant to be, you're going to tear some stuff up.
Well, that's
That's what my brother says anyhow.
Well, my dad used to work for blocks. A
Right?
mechanic, part-time job.
Right?
And they had all kinds of things, and they were also talking about putting engines on top of tractors. They never had anything like that before.
Couple of cast iron seals. What do you want on the Dutch oven?
35. He's the guy that
35? These are great rods. You never see these very often. Not in nice shape either. I've got a set. This one's got 2 tips in it. No, it's got more than 2 tips. I see at least 3 tips in there. That's a cool rod.
That's a bigger one.
So, cool rod. 35 on the footed Dutch oven. Those are great for baking in. Got a lot of interesting people here that I know today. I've known Ron there for 40 years. Probably 40 years I've known Ron. Pete I've known for probably 20 years. I bought one of my favorite M1 carbines that I have from him. So, oh, look at these. These are
doing,
nice.
sir?
Good. How's about yourself?
Not too bad.
Just shooting my YouTube video for today. Buying a
right.
little bit of stuff.
If you find anything you like, you let me know. I'll pull it out
I
and let you
love
look
your
at it.
case display.
Thank you.
That is excellent. Excellent. Look at the case with the fork and the knife and the spoon.
Yeah, it's called a hobo.
Yes. Do they come apart?
Yes.
Does it come apart into sections?
Yeah. Would you like to see it?
No. I know what it does. I'm just curious, how much is it?
The one with the spoon is $3.75, and one with just the fork is $2.25.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful display. You know what? It's not often you come to an outdoor market where somebody has a great display.
That's right.
I commend you on having a great display.
Thank you.
So he's selling all good American-made case knives here. And
I have some buck, roker.
bucks and rokers. And if you want to see it on YouTube, my channel is I Buy Cool Stuff.
All right.
Got roughly 3,000 subscribers, and you sell cool stuff. You sell. That is a great display.
Thank you.
That is a great display. Well done.
I'm very proud of it.
You should be, and it takes a lot of money to do it, and many people here will not appreciate it.
That's
And if you're looking for a knife just to carry in your pocket, $5 a piece or 3 for 10. How can you beat that? So he's on the back row here at the market. If you want to come and procure some pocket knives.
How's everything these days?
Everything's great, Ron. I'm glad I seen you.
Yeah, me too.
I still ain't figured out where the wife went to.
Well, she's still here somewhere.
She'll be here.
Did she drive or you drive?
I drove.
So she can't leave without you unless she's got another set of keys.
Well, she may have keys. I don't know if she brought them or not.
Yeah.
I think it's cool either way.
We're gonna put it outside above us. Our swing.
He's got lots of cool little tchotchkes. I mean,
Yeah.
anytime you got a German 88
How you doing? Thank you.
sitting on your counter, what a cool German 88.
Let's see it. Let's see it.
Just things you see. Shipping a bottle. So having a good day today. People watching and shopping. There's always something to see out here at the market. Records. Not a record person unless I'm at a garage sale buying them for my daughter. Don't need shoes.
¿Y qué más?
How much on the 20 volt circular saw?
This?
Yeah,
$30.
$30. See if my brother wants it. No perfume for me, thank you. One of my vendors that I usually talk to out here has moved out. She got in a little tiff with the management. Angel, who lived here and had the cats, lived here, had a booth here, did not live here.
Livonia, Bedford, Farmington Hills, Plymouth. I go all over.
Where's my buddy at today? Hey, huh? He's in Ohio. Ah, I seen the blue towels. I knew he should be here. So Angel, if you had ever seen her before, she was a unique person. Her call to fame. Hey, what's up, man? It's old friend day today out to the market. I'm seeing everybody I know for 100 years. So what you been doing, Mark? Anything good?
No, hold on.
Good.
As little as possible.
Mark here chatting with me was one of the bus drivers at Trinity with me for years and years. He drove motor coach, whereas I drove the school buses. Not too many people out here today, eh?
I ain't been out here in a while.
Look at that old Mercury boat motor. I got a YouTube channel, Mark, if you watch YouTube at all.
What is it?
I'll give you a bumper sticker. I buy cool stuff. That's my YouTube channel. I got almost 3,000 subscribers.
I'll look you up.
And yeah, subscribe. Comment. You can tell me how silly I do. So, anyhow, like I said, there's a lot of people covered up because of the rain this morning. So, we got Benny and them here. We'll say hi to Benny. How's it going this morning, boss?
Not too bad.
How's it going, Benny? Hanging tight. Out here, you look pretty good.
Thank you.
Hey, we're going to have a car show right down by your house there, Benny. Come on by.
Yeah, I go by it all the time.
By what?
So the car show.
Oh, no, this is at the church.
Oh, it's a church.
At the church. Our church is having a car show there, so. Anyhow. Yep, we'll be doing hot dogs and stuff there. You can bring Wanda if you want. How's she doing?
She's hanging in there too. Her feet and legs are bothering her.
But that's right on Party Road, right by you there. Come on over, we'll pray for you if nothing else.
Texted me. He said you woke up in the driveway.
Somebody woke up in the driveway. Interesting phone call. Everybody's going to wonder who woke up in the driveway. Got a bunch of swords here and bicycles. Don't look like nothing interesting, nothing old. Lots of yunk. There's a kayak. You don't see a lot of kayaks for sale. They are a good mover. I don't know for how long they're going to be a good mover, but you put a kayak out and it sells. Budweiser Steins do not sell very well, but there's one that is this shape here and has a lot of birch trees in the background. I believe it's 90. I want to say 98, but I ain't certain. No, it ain't. Is it 72? Anyhow, but it's that shape. Has a bunch of birch trees in the background of it. This is something different. I think I got to look at.
Oh yeah.
I don't see a name on it, but this is a hammer tone.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I think I got to find out a price on this. Look at this hammer tone bean pot. It doesn't have a handle, but I can fold something and put up on there, I think. How much is this?
I do 10 on that, bro.
Take 5?
I do 7.
Oh, that's a good deal. 7? That's $3 cheaper than it started.
Look at this guy here. He thinks $3 makes a difference, man. I don't know.
You would have got it already.
Ain't even got a handle.
No.
I'm
I'm gonna have to remember that when I go and buy the gun stuff off of him.
Yeah, well, at least I sell them with a stock. You see me selling one without a stock, you know to do a little different. And I take the rust off of them if they are rusty before I try to sell them. I don't just put out something that looks like that out there.
That's why it's
Patina.
instead of 20, not 25 or 30.
I'm going to give you your 7, boss.
All right, bro.
That's it, Paul. All right, so he's got the little pot too. He said he'd let me have that for 5 too. Lots of work cleaning them up, but I need something to do, so gotta come back, give him another $5 bill down here.
25?
All right, let me get you another $5 bill out there, boss. So we got it all bought now. We got my buddy Dennis, the old man here.
Screwed up a good asshole.
Hey, this is on YouTube, man. Watch your cursing.
Okay, I'm sorry.
So, anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. Met some old friends out here today. It was nice being at the market this morning. Like, comment, subscribe. Bought some cast iron, bought some tools for using. So make a little bit of money, use the tools, and like I always say, God bless you, God bless America, and get out there and find some stuff, man.